Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish and fries. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, 1 pound of firm white fish like cod or haddock, and your preferred seasonings. Next, set up your frying area. Use a large, heavy-bottomed pot and fill it with at least 4 cups of a high-smoke point oil, such as canola or peanut oil. Now, peel and cut your potatoes into uniform 1/4 inch thick sticks. After soaking your cut potatoes in cold water for about 30 minutes, drain and pat them completely dry. This step is crucial for crispiness. Heat your oil to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the potatoes in small batches for 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender but not browned. Remove them and let them cool. Once all potatoes have had their first fry, increase the oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for the second fry. While your fries are cooling, prepare your fish. Pat the fish fillets very dry and season them generously with salt, pepper, and any other desired spices. Next, prepare a light batter. A simple mix of flour, cornstarch, and a cold liquid like beer or soda water works wonderfully. Dip each fish fillet into the batter, making sure it's fully coated. Heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and carefully fry the fish for 3 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown and cooked through. Now for the final touch on your fries. Return the partially cooked potatoes to the 375 degree Fahrenheit oil for their second fry. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Remove them and immediately season with salt. Serve your hot, crispy fries alongside your perfectly fried fish, perhaps with some lemon wedges and your favorite dipping sauces. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.